Inside our code, when we were adding any of the API methods, we have used await and async so far. But this is different than actual asynchronous microservice communication. And the reason behind this async and await is when you are using an await keyword with any of the method, you are basically telling that your thread must wait at this line until a response is being returned from the create update cart method that is being called in the example here. So that means if this particular method takes 20 seconds, the execution will not go in next line until 20 seconds are passed and a response is returned. So in that term, even though we are using async await, it is synchronous communication. Until and unless that execution is not completed, the flow will not jump. A typical asynchronous communication will be that a line will be executed and it will not wait for the response. Here we are using await, so we are telling that you must wait for the response. Because of that, we are making this a synchronous communication. I hope this makes sense to you and you don't confuse yourself saying that we are already using asynchronous communication. With the use of await keyword, you are making this a synchronous communication because you need a response in order to proceed to the next line. Now you might be curious and scratching on what exactly and how we will implement asynchronous communication. That we will understand in the upcoming videos.